Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Drew with What's for Dinner, and today we're going to head out about 50 minutes away from me and hang out with Chef Martin McCafferty at Sliced Up Pizza and learn how to make the infamous Avocado California pizza base. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing, and thank you for watching.
Alright, so what I'm working on here is a multi-step process. In olive oil, garlic and ginger, on my trusty Waring induction burner. I'm going to saute those down, sweat them down a little bit, release the oils. And at that point I'll hit it with white wine to deglaze, cool the pan down, cool the garlic down. Let that tighten up. Then I'll drop my heavy cream in. And then once that kind of gets up and rolling, we'll start adding avocado. And we're essentially going to make an avocado cream in which we'll let slightly chill down. We'll puree that, and then we'll fold that slightly warm avocado cream puree into a mixing bowl, KitchenAid bowl with ricotta cheese. So essentially what we're making is a avocado cream ricotta that will be the base sauce of the feature pizza for which we go right now. So the garlic and ginger is there. We're going to drop in white wine. And we're going to let that kind of reduce down almost till there's nothing left.
Of course, you're probably using a lot for prep.
Yep. That's really it. I don't saute anything to order or anything like that. Not yet, at least. I'd love to, but
It'll come.
there's scallops or something on there. Prepped up, so when we do the next step, it's just bing bang boom. We've reduced it down to all set. Now we're going to hit it with about 8 ounces of cream. Bring that up and heat.
Is that heavy cream?
Heavy cream. Give that a stir, and then I'll start to fold in some of this large diced avocado. A little life hack, if you will. Whatever these kids say. So the rest of this pizza will have some bacon, lardons, artichoke hearts, raw red onion garnished on top at the end. And then I'm going to have an arugula salad. I'm going to make either a balsamic vinaigrette or some sort of fun vinaigrette to kind of dress the arugula and then garnish that on top as well. So it'll be kind of a hot and cold pie all at the same time. It just sucks because you garnish it with the lettuce or whatever, and then or in this case arugula, and you got to close the box top lid,
And then it steams it out.
Yeah, it steams it out. So on people where I know they have a drive, I'll give them a container on the side. So we're simmering, we're getting really close, probably another minute or two on the heat. Hit it with about 1.5 tablespoons. I got agave here, substitute honey if you so feel. Mix that in. Again, we'll let this simmer probably another 90 seconds, maybe 120. And then I'll remove from heat. And we'll bring up the big toys and start getting this sauce made up. I don't puree it all by hand. I do like the puree ones though. I never had them until Chipotle.
I use the taco sauce as the base for the pizza.
I gotcha.
It's definitely different. I can see. We used to have salsa too that we put on pizzas there.
Do that one more time. All right.
kosher salt.
Kosher, a little pepper, a little more balance, a little too avocado-y. Now here we got just a little under 2 pounds of ricotta cheese, 30 ounces. I'm going to beat that up a little bit. I open it up a little bit so we can incorporate this. We'll slowly drag the avocado puree into the ricotta, and if my experience is correct, it should be pretty dangerous. To warm it up. Also break it up, but to warm it up a little bit. Teaspoon and a half sriracha. It just needs a little giddy up, a little pick me up.
Yeah, a little flavor.
The avocado's there, the fat of the cream is there, the garlic's there, the ginger's there. But the ginger's not bringing as much heat as I thought, so hence the sriracha. Yeah. Okay.
Nice.
Something else.
Some of that. It's good, man.
Yeah. Everything's there. I think I'll just drop more sriracha.
Yeah, actually, I'd say I could probably use a tiny bit more.
Oh, this one's got a little black pepper in there, but that might do it too.
I know you may have said it, but what pizza is this going on?
Now, this is going to be the California, but this will be the base, avocado ricotta base. It'll have artichoke, it'll have bacon on it, then it'll get a mix of fontina cheese with a little bit of our shredded provolone mozzarella mix. That'll get fired off. When it comes out, it'll get hit with raw red onion mixed with arugula and a vinaigrette yet to be determined.
Yeah.
And then that'll get garnished off, and knowing me, I'm sure I'll hit it with a little something that I whip up. Just off the top of my head, I see that agave. Actually, I see orange marmalade. The brain's already moving. So something really nice. But this was the first challenge. We did, nothing. This is the base. This is the foundation.
Yeah.
Nothing is built after that. So. I am Mark McCafferty, and I'm the owner of Sliced Up Pizza here in the Quick and Cold Drive-Thru, 998 North 21st Street, Newark, Ohio. We take a lot of pride in what we do, and we invite you to give us a call, send us a text, check out our Facebook or Instagram page, let us know what you're looking for, and come give us a shot, because I'm pretty sure it'll be worth the drive for all you Middle Columbus fellas and ladies to come on out here and try what we have going on. So thank you for your time, thank you for watching, and we hope to see you soon.
Awesome, man. Thanks for having me out. Appreciate it.